Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama come back Sandy Home Recipe. Sende di kan a share video. Mama rem subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No wa me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto a won sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Besua se be Ghana palm nut soup. Me ye soup where me tasty and it tastes really nice. Into na ye be. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Okro description box na ingredients in na eden. Ewo ho. Yes, start it. Ye be use dry fish. With the all-purpose wet vegetable seasoning. Akwo, blended pepper, chopped onion, fish seasoning, salt to taste. Maggi seasoning optional on fire the egum. Tomato paste, kakra bi. Now the kakra the egum. One mixing layer together. Now the fresh tomatoes ni onion aka ho. Wakata so with the akwesi jaso ama na sima. Wo ho anu wa bie so. No wa numu se de ni na be season ye. Wo hwe enam no de betete na wa ye sinchen. Enkwa ne bebe mpe na wo de eden atomo. We are now the palm fruit near the egum. Woody ensuo aka ho. Ensuo ni jira enkwando dro a wo ye. Ensuo no betimi the hot water egumu ana normal water. The pepper ni okro aganish no. No one mixing there together. We are no just so amana to bu aben. By say a jan ulo ni kakra. O hwa na wahwe se wo hwe se entos ni gene no so abia na waji na wakọ blend we no be hwe eden agumu wa blend awe na wahwe eden agumu na waja nkwale customer eden ebeben but time bia say wo check. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Na sorts no e no so na de kakra eden aka ho aha no enam na we si nchen na de ede agum esanse akakra na enkwane aben aha no akakra na aben na watwe na wa serve enti wunya fufu a wo betimi de aka ho adi yep ma chose na di kan a wo hwe video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa me notification bell no say the video bia beto a won sabeka me ye nkwanwe na me taste and it tastes really nice. And this our palm nut soup. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.